Hey guys, to come with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your iPhone on a single one app so that if you're using this app, they cannot get out of this app. And it's really simple and easy too on the latest iOS version. Usually this feature is great for if you're giving the phone to a kid and you want to have them stay on an app like YouTube or some game app they're playing so that they can't get anywhere else on the phone. So how do you do that? Well, it's really simple and easy. First thing is, on the latest iOS version, is you're going to open up settings, and this will work on iPhone or iPad. You'll go into accessibility, and after that, you'll want to go down here where it says guided access. You'll click on guided access, turn this on, and now for this to work, you need to ensure a couple settings here. Accessibility shortcut, you want to turn this on, and I'll show you why this is good to turn it on. And so once you have this set up, the other thing is if you have if you're using assistive touch, turn that off. I wouldn't recommend turning it on, and make sure for all this is none as well, as that can interfere with your guided access. So turn that off, and then after that, you're ready to go. Now let's go ahead and launch the app that you want to lock your iPhone in. It could be YouTube, but it could be any other app as well. We use YouTube as it seems to be one of the popular ones people usually lock. So let's say I'm on the YouTube app and I'm going to be giving the phone to someone, maybe a child or someone, and I want them to stay only on YouTube where they can only search for YouTube apps or be stuck on a single video. It's going to be really simple. All you do is click on the lock button or the side button 3 times. That's why triple click. Or if you have a phone with the home button, you want to click on the home button 3 times. So once I click on 3 times, you'll see this menu where guided access pops up, and then you click on this option here and it will tell you what you want them to be able to do. Like for the default option, you'll have touch keyboard and motion turned on. You'll also set a time limit, but we'll keep those as is. But if you want them to be on a specific video, you want to turn off all of these. So let's say I just want them to have access to the whole YouTube app or whatever app you choose. I just hit start here. And you'll need to set a passcode. And the reason why I need to set a passcode is that so if they try to exit out, they'll need to know the passcode. Or if you want to exit out, you need to put in the passcode so you can get out of it. But it's important that if you do set a passcode, that you remember this passcode in order to exit out of the app. So let's go ahead and set one. Of course, I'm just choosing 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. But of course, make sure yours is something you can remember and it's more complex. And then once that happens, it'll say guided access has been enabled. Now, if I try to exit out of it, click on buttons. As you can see here, I can't because it's just locked to the screen. So I can't get out of it. I'm stuck on the YouTube app. Now, in order to exit, I triple click on that button or the home button, right, 3 times. And then I enter the same passcode. And then I will be able to now end the session, right? And then I am out of that, as you can see here. So that's how simple and easy it is to have a iPhone locked to a specific app. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.